So previously I created this motion graphic template of this Superman titles inspired by James Gunn's Superman. Well, now it's time for us to get into the classic Superman text. Now keep in mind, this is a graphics heavy motion graphic template, and so it could slow down your computer or your edit a little bit. So just keep that in mind, especially as we get to the end of the animation here. Now I'm going to show you briefly what you can edit in this motion graphic template. So we're going to go up here to properties. We can change the text here to say music by John Williams. And, you know, maybe we want this to be capitalized. Now, the recommended font here is Opti Granby, but you can change it to whatever font you would like. There we go. And you can change the font size as well of both of these items here. Now, if you do delete this section and you just want this to say Superman, you know, or John Williams, same person, right? Now you might notice it might be a little too low for your liking, especially as we progress through the animation here. In which case we can adjust the Y position to our liking. And right now I've got this set up to be too high of a range. I may fix that before release. But you can see that's a lot better. So I fixed the Y position slider, so now it won't, so now it's just easier to use. Now another thing that we can do here is we can add an ending rotation, and I'm going to put in 7 degrees. And what will happen is this will come in straight, but as the text begins to extrude, it will rotate until it gets to the 7 degrees. And I can also go, if I want to go the other direction, I can do -7. I can really go as much as I want, but once you start getting higher on the degrees, you're pushing it a little too much. It gets a little wild, crazy, plus, again, it's going to slow down your computer a lot more. And of course, you can just keep this at 0 as well. And then, of course, the other thing you can do is you can change the color. And then, of course, you have your normal transform and crop properties, and that's basically it. Now, if you want the text to move away from the camera, you can simply right-click, go to speed duration, and click reverse speed. And there you have it. To purchase this motion graphic template, I will leave a link in the description as well as the first comment.